Always you are happy. Whenever you have money, you are always happy. Whenever you see that your wealth is increasing and increasing, and you never cry, knowing that you are getting close to your end. You never cry. Remember that. It came to them, it will come to you. So my brother, death is not a joke. Never joke with it. Please, take it serious. Think. Always remember, because it will lead you to doing good. It will guide you to doing good, to doing what's right. That's why our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, "Akthiru min dhikri." What? Death. Always remember death.